Little machine work, trying to make a bushing for a riding mower, just to patch up the steering linkage until I want to spend 100 bills on 2 parts which are worthless. Okay, I can't find my axis table. I had a small one that might work on this toy drill press. So I'm using that mill bit to try to open up that shaft a little, the hole in it. Good luck. Got some bootleg bushing in there. Just so everybody knows, nothing's square, nothing's true. I cannot work with these shit tools I have, and there's nowhere to do machine work or metal work, grinding, torching. It's all shit.